Forgotten username recovery failed on Payoneer Fix. If your Payoneer username recovery keeps failing, don't panic. Most people get this wrong because they assume Payoneer still uses usernames. The surprising truth is that Payoneer now uses your registered email as your primary login credential. That's why the traditional username recovery process often fails. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Open the Payoneer app or visit the website. Enter the email address linked to your account instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, check your inbox for past emails from Payoneer, such as payment notifications or account confirmations. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if the email doesn't appear immediately. Step 3. If you signed up using a third-party login, such as Google or Apple, use the same method to log in. Many failed recovery attempts occur because users switch login methods. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact Payoneer support. Provide your full name, registered email, and explain that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore access securely. Most users assume their account is lost or locked, but the reality is simple. Payoneer removed usernames to streamline login and improve security. So don't worry, your account and funds are safe. Use your registered email, reset your password if necessary, and you'll be back managing your Payoneer payments in minutes.